Hey GLITZGLAMFAM, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to chat with you guys today and bring you the influencer unboxing for this Biossance. So I signed up on Influencer and they actually sent me a box, which is like a box of products. It wasn't, I don't think there was any makeup in it, so I didn't post it on here, but yeah, they finally sent me a beauty product, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on it. So this is the Biossance Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, which I actually have a dark spot. And actually around my mouth is getting kind of dark as I get old. So I'm definitely gonna use this. So it says that it starts brightening and visibly correcting spots immediately and keeps working to prevent new ones from forming. Immediately? We shall see. Okay, so let's do this. So we can get a little thumbnail in here. Okay, so immediately, huh? Okay, let's get a little closer. Let's get a little closer. How's the glitz? Guys, it's glass. Oh my god. It's kind of heavy. Hope it doesn't, okay, massage 1 to 2 pumps on clean face and neck daily. Okay. Biossance. Immediately, huh? Okay. I'll be the judge of that. How much do we put on? Oh, it's watery, kind of. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so, all right. Let's see. Immediately, let's see, is it going away? I still see it. I still see it. I don't know. Should you put it like all over? Here's another dark spot here. Should I put it all over? I mean, I don't want to like, this doesn't have bleach in it, does it? It's vitamin C serum. Whatever. It says put all over your face, so what is this? This is my 4th pump. Okay, let's just put it all over and see. It says your neck too. I still see my dark spot. I don't know about immediately, but it doesn't smell like anything. You guys know I'm not really a fan of skincare, but y'all, oh my god. So I was taking my braids out this weekend, and well, not this weekend, Monday, and I saw all these wrinkles on my forehead, and when I did this, they went away. But then when I was like looking, they were like, I don't know if you can see them. Oh yeah, look, that's them. Oh my god. I was like, y'all, we have a wrinkle alert. We have a wrinkle alert. Okay, let's read about this. It says 1 to 2 pumps. I did 4. It says targeted antioxidant serum that helps visibly diminish dark spots, uneven tone, and sun damage. So that would be good for my skin. So I guess maybe I'll use it like all week and see how it works. This says 10% vitamin C and white shiitake, visibly improved discoloration. All right, we'll give it a try and see. I mean, it feels light. Well, it feels, no, it's kind of tacky. It's kind of tacky, and it's tacky, and I mean, I don't know. Do you guys think my dark spot went away? I don't know. It said immediately. I don't know about immediately, but we'll see if it does anything. Yeah, so it has white shiitake mushroom extract. Oh, works immediately and over time. Absorbs quickly and supports a healthy skin barrier. Oh, so I guess it's supposed to be a barrier for your skin. So it has like oranges or grapefruits on here, but I don't smell any. I guess that just means vitamin C. Yeah, so, okay guys, this is the Biossance. It doesn't say how much it costs on here, but they did send us a full size. And yeah, I'll test it out and see. So, so I got this on Influencer. So all of you who love getting, you know, free samples and free makeup, you want to sign up on there, because they do send you stuff from time to time. And they already sent me a box, but it was like I think the day before I was going in the hospital. So obviously I couldn't film because I was going to the hospital in the morning at like 5 in the morning. So yeah, but this is the second thing that they've sent me, so, in a few months. So yeah, guys, till the next video. And it came in this, which was so cute on my doorstep. Bye.